I'm starting off with the BTZ Heat Protectant Spray. I'm just going to be spraying that all over my hair. You can find this in my Amazon storefront. I will leave it in the description down below. And I'm just going to be sectioning off my hair in little portions. It is easier to curl with shorter hair than longer hair, but for some reason my hair was really slipping and sliding, which makes it easier. But you just want to curl away from your face, so this is what I'm doing here. Basically just curl into the back. When I curl it this time, I'm going to hold the curl in the flat iron for a few seconds. After releasing your hair from the flat iron, you want to hold it for a few seconds before using the clip to hold the curl. That will give you a tighter curl. When you are finished curling your hair, you want to use a holding spray. I am using the Sebastian spray, and this can be found in my Amazon storefront. I will leave the link down below. I already moved one side because I usually record for TikTok and YouTube at the same time. So one side was TikTok and I'm recording for YouTube. So I'm removing the pins for that side. When I'm done removing the pins, I'm going to be using some bio soap for some shine and combing the curls out with my hand. You can use a wide tooth comb, but sometimes I rather use my hands. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.